They say if we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
Hello guys, good evening. This is Binannce from the Crypto Doctor, and as you know, I'm in Kiev presently. I came for the blockchain and Bitcoin conference going on that took place today. It was awesome. Like I've been standing for like 12 hours trying to make different videos and all, and I know I said I was going to make a live stream, but I apologize because the network was very bad at the place, so I wasn't able to make a live stream. Well, let's get down to what is happening today. So I think I'm going to be going for more conferences because I went for the conference and I came back and this happened, and we're already at 5,464, and it seems like we're almost hitting the 5,500 mark, and that is phenomenal. Now this here we have an example of big money coming into the markets. Now as of yesterday, when I checked the coin market capitalization, we had like 76 billion in Bitcoin, and presently you can see that we have up to 90 billion in Bitcoin. Now that's a lot of money coming into the markets. Now another reason why you should understand that money is actually coming to the markets was in the previous days we had Bitcoin soaring higher and all the other cryptocurrencies going lower, but today you can see all the other currencies going higher with Bitcoin, which means other money is not just coming from other currencies into Bitcoin, but it's moving right just into the cryptocurrency markets. Now this is big money coming into play. A lot of people say, yeah, Wall Street is coming to the markets. Now Wall Street might already be infiltrating the markets. Now this is a typical chart of what is happening presently, and I'll zoom out a bit to get a bigger picture of what is happening. Now technically, a lot of people will be trying to find where the top is going to be. Now our advice, try not to find the top in a movement. You can get burnt very easily because now Bitcoin is in uncharted territory. It hasn't been this high and there is no resistance level to hold it back at any point, which makes it very scary and volatile, or whatever you might call it. So generally it's very difficult to find or try to find the top in this case, but there's something you can use to be able to make an example. Now I'll maximize the screen and I'll show you that now we can use the Fibonacci tool to be able to give an estimate of where we should expect to see the markets possibly going. And you generally notice that traders put up their orders or positions on these levels because they feel, okay, these places are points of support and resistance, and it actually works. So I'll show how to get this. So first of all, you get your swing low with your Fibonacci extension tool. You click on your swing low, you click on your swing high, which is your previous high, and you click on your swing on the lowest point or the bounce point. Now generally, as you can see here, we have the 78.6 Fibonacci level, and as you can see, it's holding presently. Now it could break and keep going, but generally these levels are levels that the markets look at. You can see here it was respected, same here, the 38.2 was respected, and the 54.5 also, and here we have the 61.8. So generally traders put up their buy points or sell points in these levels because they are psychological levels, they're round numbers and all those things. So you want to break at this level. Now if the markets are to break above this level, we should expect to see the markets moving possibly to the next Fibonacci level, which is 16.1, and it's going to be right up here. So traders might be looking at that point, but you should also remember to be a conservative trader, which means you should put it a point or few below, so somewhere down here or halfway in between. That's if it breaks out to the top side. Now it's going to be a very crazy couple of days, because there's going to be a lot of profit taking, money making, but all in all, it's all looking lovely. So I was able to make a lot of interview videos, and I'll be getting down to the editing tomorrow morning because I am needing a lot of sleep right now. So thank you very much for tuning in. Make it a day to the Crypto Doctor again, and see you soon. Peace out.